Assalamualaikum, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Contraband Part 2 mission in Roblox Wanted. If this tutorial helps you out, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. For this mission, we need to collect and sell 3 specific guns: a Glock 18C, a Beneli M1014, and a SPAS 12. Just like Part 1, these cannot be purchased from regular gun shops. You either have to find them at hidden spawn locations or loot them from military crates and airdrops. First, I'm going to grab the Glock 18C. You can find this weapon hidden right at this exact spot on the map. Pick it up, head over to the port and sell it to the NPC named Rod. Next up is the Beneli M1014. You can locate this shotgun right here at this spot. Collect the gun and just like before, bring it over to the port and sell it to Rod. Now, the trickiest part is getting the SPAS 12 because it doesn't have a fixed spawn point on the map. You can only obtain it randomly from airdrops or military crates. To speed things up, I'm getting some help from a friend who managed to get one from an airdrop and dropped it for me. Once you have it, head back to the port and sell it to Rod as well. With all 3 weapons turned in, simply make your way back to the syndicate base and claim your reward from Sir B. That's it. I hope this guide makes the mission easy for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.